I started sewing when I was 12 years old at a family-owned business in Cambodia. Later on, that would become a burning passion to create beautiful clothes that led me to the United States and a degree in fashion design. Fashion is expression, showing other people what you feel through amazing, beautiful clothes. Taking fabrics from around the world and stitching them together to make what they were that much luxurious. This is really where it started to become a passion for me, invoking in others that selfless that's usually hidden. However, fashion is much more about what you want people to put out there, as convincing them that putting what they have on display is the right decision. It's about making people desire and want to be desired. Fashion design, of course, is technical. It requires quite a bit of know-how and is hard work, but it's rewarding and is really one of those ways I know I can connect with other people, a way to help other people accept that maybe they could look and feel fantastic in something like that too. I want to share that experience, my knowledge, and all the tips and tricks that could make both our lives easier with you. I want to share that in particular with you here. I'm Rose Willie, and this is my design concept.